In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate the eye darts. Now, eye darts are the pupils. These are the eye darts. First thing is the shortcut for toggling this on and off the controllers is Alt and 1. The very first thing before even animating the eye darts is make sure this is headspace 1. Can you see the eyes are going with your head? This is the right way. When I'm doing the headspace off, that is 0. Now if I rotate the head, can you see the eye darts remain at the same place? This is the wrong way. Eye darts are animated only one frame at a time. So suppose if 55 here is the key and on 56 you will have to move this. That's it. That is how you actually animate the eye dart. Can you see here if I turn off the controls, see the animation, this is how the eye darts move. Sometimes it might happen that you need to make it 2 frames when the distance is too much. When the distance is more like this, it might happen that you can stretch it to 2 frames but not more than 2 frames. If it's more than 2 frames, it will look like a slide. One more thing is look at. Look at means where the character is watching. Suppose this is a character here. This pole is a character. If you have to make sure that the character is actually looking on that particular character, what you have to do is go to that particular character's eyes and see from that perspective where are the eyes. Can you see these eyes are up? I can take it down. That's all for the video. Follow me for more such videos.